Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable in-ear detection for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. You have to start by open HUAWEI Life application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds here. Then scroll down and go to the settings at the right bottom. At the first line we have it calls Smart Ear Detection. So to disable it you need to tap one time at the slider if the slider have colorful background. To enable it you need to also tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have empty background. And once you enable it, when you listen music, you can remove your earbuds from your ears and it will automatically stop the music. When you put it back, it will automatically resume to play music. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!